At the end of 2024, a young man named Alex, born into a wealthy family, was celebrating the new year by drowning in alcohol with two girls in his car. He completely ignored his father's advice and continued his reckless behavior. He knew his father always tried to guide him to a better path, but Alex never paid attention to his words. Meanwhile, his father repeatedly tried to call him, but Alex ignored all the calls. His father, who loved him dearly and always wanted the best for him, became deeply upset as his son continued down the wrong path. When Alex didn't answer, his father called his bodyguard to check on him and find out what he was up to. A few days later, Alex returned to his mansion, still intoxicated. His father called him over and said, "Son, 2024 has passed, and you promised me you wouldn't drink again, but here you are doing the same thing." Alex didn't respond, but his father grabbed his hand and said, "You need to understand the purpose of your life. Wealth and fame will never bring you peace. They don't provide true happiness." Alex felt something shift inside him. His father continued, "Do you know how many people are out there who don't even have food to eat or a roof over their heads? We can help them. You need to live your life in a way that helps others, that eases their pain." His father's words sparked a change in Alex's heart. He realized he was living in the wrong way and needed to change. He decided that he would stop drinking and living carelessly. He would now focus on improving his life and helping those in need. At the start of 2025, Alex began working alongside his father to help people in need. He donated to education for poor children, provided shelter for the homeless, and found his true purpose in life. Alex's life took a new direction. He learned that true happiness comes from helping others. He moved away from alcohol and a reckless life, and instead, his purpose became serving others.